The deputy on scene assessed the condition of Tiger Woods, and there was no evidence of any impairment whatsoever. He was lucid, no odor of alcohol, no evidence of any medication, narcotics, or anything like that that would bring that into question. So that was not a concern at the time. So therefore, obviously no field sobriety test and no DRE, drug recognition expert, needed to respond to do any further assessment of that. This is what it is, an accident. Are charges possible in the crash? We don't contemplate any charges whatsoever in this crash. This remains an accident. Accident is not a crime. They do happen, unfortunately. Question here, was he drunk? He was not drunk. That is definitely, we can throw that one out. Speculation, irresponsible, no. There was no evidence of any impairment. I said that yesterday, and that's just the facts. We're going to call it the way they are. If there was evidence of that, well, then we proceed with that. However, and we hold everyone accountable to the rule of law, no matter what your celebrity status is, but there was no evidence of that. So this is an accident. We're treating it as an accident. Okay, any idea he was distracted and looking at the phone? We do not have any information on that whatsoever. I mean, we'll find out on that. And I'm sure his phone records might be relevant to that itself. And that's going to be up to the investigators. And they would require a search warrant for that. Just for example, if there was an issue about if he was under the influence of some type of prescribed medication, for example, or they did any blood work at the hospital, that would also require a search warrant to be able to seize that information as part of the investigation. But that is going to be up to the traffic investigators to do that. So that would be up to the hospital to do that toxicology, and we'll assume that during the course of the treatment they draw blood, and they have to do that, obviously, because he has to go into surgery and all that. But that's going to require a search warrant from our part to go into those details.